The woman without wrinkles. She is 33 and uses only 2 ingredients. The famous Indian actress Priyanka Chopra has conquered the whole world with her natural beauty. She has been crowned Miss World and she was chosen as the first Indian woman to be the face of Guess. In her 15-year career, the 33 years old, Priyanka Chopra has learned many tips and tricks to keep her beauty. Hair. Priyanka is famous all over Bollywood for her beautiful hair and all the super trendy and fashionable hairstyles that she changes so frequently. Priyanka takes a good care of her hair with a hot oil massage, 3 times per week. She stated that hot oil is really effective for the hair and it really helps in controlling any damage or hair loss. Skin. According to her, the most important thing about healthy and beautiful skin is hydration. She said, hydration, hydration, hydration. You should always wash your face before you got to sleep, no matter what. She also mentioned that she often uses 2-ingredient homemade mask, made out of lemon and yogurt. I use yogurt for my hair and skin. This is my hair mask recipe. I mix half a cup of yogurt for hydration and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for exfoliation. You need to apply this mask on your hair, then rub the hair down to the root, let it rest for 30 minutes and then you need to wash it with shampoo. That's it. If you like this video, I ask 3 favors. Subscribe. Give a like. Share it with family and friends. Thank you for watching.